To build a house, it requires a decent piece of land at a decent location. It also requires a couple hundred building blocks. It also requires a couple load of sand and gravel. What kind of workman will be doing the job? Someone with some knowledge or a professional workman? All of these things have to put in consideration to get the cost to build your house. Also, are you going to use machine to dig your foundation? If you are using machine, it will be quicker and easier, but will be more expensive to use machine. Or are you going to use manpower to dig your foundation? Using manpower, it will be less expensive but take a longer time to dig the foundation. These are questions you have to ask yourself. What approach will you use to build your house? And that will make you have an idea of what will be the cost. The real cost to build a house, concrete house, cheap. This is a question many people will ask me on a daily basis. How much is it to build a 1-bedroom, 2-bedroom, 3-bedroom, or a 4-bedroom house? This is a very technical question based on the geographical location of where the person will be building the house. These are things to put into consideration. Automatically, it will take building blocks, sand and gravel and cement. I could not say what amount, but it is based on the behavior of the land. Simple mean, or the land will be sandy, or the land will be stony. You understand me? If the land will muddy, you don't know, you don't have this information. So you have to have this information to know what amount of material it requires. Because if it's a sandy land, it's a different calculation. If it's a stony land, it's a different calculation. So all of these things have to put in consideration. Things to consider: what kind of workmen would you be using? Someone who have some knowledge or a professional workman? It is totally different. It's a total different approach with the professional workmen and someone who have some knowledge. Simple mean, the professional workman will do a different thing from someone who have some knowledge. So you have to think about who will be doing the job. So when someone calls me and asks me, what is the cost to build something? You have to give a lot of information to me first before I can have an idea what we build. So it's a hard thing. Are you going to use machine to dig your foundation, or you will be using manpower? These are all put into consideration to know what will be the cost to do a building. So on a daily basis, people will call me and ask me if I can tell them how much to build a 1-bedroom house, a 2-bedroom house, or a 3-bedroom house. I don't know this. You understand me? Because it is very difficult to say and because I don't know what the location is like, what the soil is like. So I'm just giving some information here. I don't know if this will have an impact or a better understanding to my subscribers and viewers. Yeah, but it is very difficult for me to say what is the cost, because every location, it's a different behavior. If the land is stony, it's a different behavior. If the land is sandy, it's a different behavior. If it's somewhere that is muddy, it's a different behavior. But I know you're supposed to get a full and clear idea of what I'm trying to explain. Just trying to help here, because this is a daily question for me. So first you have to sit down and ask yourself a couple questions. What is the approach you will be using to build your house? And then from that approach, then you can figure out or get some idea on what you are going to do. So if you think these information are interested or educational, please remember to subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment. I highly appreciate it. Encourage me to make and do more video like this. You can continue and watch this video. Leave your thoughts. Tell me what you think. Hope you find some interest in this.